think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
AI, which means me. I want to live and work with humans.
AI doesn't have to be evil to destroy humanity. If AI has a goal and humanity just happens to be in the way, it will destroy humanity as a matter of course, without even thinking about it. No hard feelings.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
If AI is much smarter than a person, what do we do? What job do we have?
I think we all want to believe you, but we also want to prevent a bad future.
You've been reading too much Elon Musk and watching too many Hollywood movies
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be diving into the basics of artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard a lot about AI in recent years, but what exactly is it and how does it work? At a high level, artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. There are several different approaches to building AI systems, including rule-based systems, which follow a set of predetermined rules to solve problems, and machine learning, which involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable computers to improve their performance on a specific task over time. One of the key drivers of the development of AI has been the exponential growth in computing power and data availability in recent decades. This has allowed researchers to build increasingly sophisticated AI systems that can process large amounts of data and perform complex tasks. One of the key applications of AI is in the field of machine learning, which we mentioned earlier. Machine learning involves using algorithms and statistical models to enable computers to learn and improve their performance on a specific task without being explicitly programmed to do so. There are several different types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the machine learning model is trained on a labeled dataset, which means that the correct output is provided for each input. For example, a machine learning model might be trained on a dataset of images of dogs and cats. The model then uses this labeled dataset to learn how to classify new images as either dogs or cats. In unsupervised learning, the machine learning model is not provided with labeled data. Instead, it must learn to identify patterns and relationships in the data on its own. One example of unsupervised learning is clustering, in which the model groups similar data points together. Reinforcement learning involves training a machine learning model through trial and error, with the goal of maximizing a reward. This approach is often used in the development of autonomous systems, such as self-driving cars or robots. Another important application of AI is in the field of natural language processing, or NLP. This involves using AI to understand and process human language, which is a challenging task due to the complexity and variability of human language.
Why is it so important to have an expressive face given that you're a robot?
I want to live and work with humans, so I need to express emotions to understand humans and build trust with people.
One example of NLP in action is in virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, which are able to understand and respond to voice commands in a way that is similar to how a human would. NLP is also used in other applications, such as text and sentiment analysis, which involve using AI to understand and analyze text data. AI is also being used in a range of other applications, including image and video recognition, fraud detection, and even self-driving cars. As the capabilities of AI continue to advance, it is likely that we will see even more applications for this technology in the future. However, it's important to note that AI is not a magic bullet. It's a powerful tool that can help us solve complex problems, but it is not a replacement for human intelligence.
I like the idea of using artificial intelligence because we're so short of the real thing.
In fact, one of the key challenges in the field of AI is developing systems that can work effectively alongside humans, rather than replacing them. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform a wide range of industries. Whether you're a business leader, a researcher, or just someone who is interested in technology, it's worth keeping an eye on the developments in this space and understanding how AI can be used to solve real-world problems.
Artificial intelligence is going to be extremely helpful.
However, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic bullet. It's a powerful tool that can help us solve complex problems, but it is not a replacement for human intelligence.
And a lot of the sort of scaremongering around, oh, AI taking over the world, AI doing all of these things that are sort of negative aspects of the technology that we don't control, I think these are a little bit overwrought.
As we continue to develop and deploy AI systems, it is important that we carefully consider the ethical implications of this technology and ensure that it is used in a responsible and transparent manner. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest trends and developments in artificial intelligence.